5 reasons why you're not making any money online, and the last one will shock you the most. Reason number 1, you're not making money online because you simply don't believe in yourself. Success starts with self-confidence. If you doubt your abilities, it's challenging to convince others to believe in what you have to offer. So believe in your potential. Reason number 2, you're constantly comparing your journey to others. Remember, everyone's path is different. What works for them may not work for you. Focus on your own progress and not someone else's highlight reel. Reason number 3, you're not investing in yourself and your education. The online world evolves rapidly, so to succeed, you must learn from someone who's got the results you want. Invest in courses, books, and tools to grow your knowledge and skills. Reason number 4, you keep jumping from one business model to another. Consistency is key, and shifting from one idea to the next before giving it a chance to succeed can hinder your progress. Stick with a plan for at least 12 months. Reason number 5, giving up way too soon. In fact, the first dollar I ever made wasn't even a dollar, it was 70 cents. But that did not stop me, and I believed in the process more. And because of that mindset, I made my first $10, $100, $1,000, $10,000, and my first $100,000 online. Imagine if I had given up, I wouldn't even be here filming this video. My message to you is this: do not give up until you get the results you want. And don't let initial setbacks discourage you. Keep pushing forward even when it gets tough.